Start by using pieces of painter's tape to mark the position of the windshield wiper blades on the windshield, indicated by the red arrows. This will help you realign the original position of the wiper blades during installation. Open the hood for easier access. To pull the wiper arms off, pop up the rubber covers with a screwdriver, red arrow, revealing a 13mm nut. Use a 13mm socket to remove the nut for each arm. Once removed, lift the wiper arms off the bolt. You may need to use a wiper arm removal tool to loosen the fit of the arms before lifting them off. Set the wiper arms aside. You will now be able to remove the cowl, red arrow. You will need to remove the main trim panel under the cowl. Please see our front trim and access panel guide for additional assistance if needed. There is a tab on each end of the underside of the cowl, red arrow. Start at one end and use a trim removal tool to wedge under the cowl and release the tab from the windshield. Keep the trim removal tool wedged between the cowl and the windshield. Use another trim removal tool to go inch by inch, gently twisting upward to release the cowl from its channel. When the cowl is fully released, lift the cowl off its channel and the wiper screws. If you are planning on reinstalling the same cowl, be sure to check the underside and clean off any dirt and debris, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal, and you can use a little lubricant to help seat it when installing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.